All right, everybody. Hello, welcome. Bienvenidos to another traveling Costa Rica video. Today we're in Escazú, just outside of downtown San Jose. We're going to be checking out the town here. And this area, look at it, it's so nice up here. Look at the view. Look at the view from the mountains here. Very nice. I'm going to show you guys where I stayed last night in this Airbnb right here, right by the main road. If this is your first time joining, be sure to hit subscribe, hit like, leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests, anything that you know about the area. What mountain is that? Is that a volcano over there? I don't know. I don't know what that is. Guys, before we start this talking tour, let's talk about how to get here. So the closest international airport is the San Jose airport, at which you'll get your rental car, airport transfer, or Uber, and head through the highways in San Jose, all very well paved, well marked. You're going to do a couple switchbacks here, so just follow Waze for instructions to get there. And that will bring you right to this intersection right here. Now, last night, guys, it was quiet. It was quiet here. Not too many people driving fast through this area. It's very nice, by the way, too. Actually, I'll show you some of the condos around here. Look at the really nice condos, development. The roads are in really good order. They are still kind of winding. I mean, I was using Waze to get my way here, to find my way here. Oh, and there's something cool here, too. Check this tree out. This is what I'm so fascinated about in San Jose. The difference between the foliage. There's a car coming up behind me. You got palm trees and then you got like pine trees right behind it. I like it. I think it's really cool. Hello, man. I think the guy was trying to say didn't want to interrupt the shot. That's okay. We're doing it live. We're doing it live. Guys, the chariot. The chariot. She's holding in there. She's holding. Man, I don't know how much longer she's going to hold in there. Okay, so this place is called Casa Verde. Casa Verde. You can see lots of security. So this gate locks. When you get this Airbnb, there's like a lockbox on the gate. So this door is locked. I left it open for the purpose of filming. Of course, you can see cameras everywhere. Very secure. Very, very secure. And then we go this way. And you look for very good, very intelligent marketing here. The bright green door. So this is it right here. And there's the sign, Casa Verde. Very cool. And this is it. I'll show you guys what it looks like when you walk in. There's a big map right here with some pins on it. Oh, I wonder if the pins are from like where people have stayed, like where they're from or something. I don't know. That's cool. And then here's some information about Casa Verde. And there's also, you can follow them on Facebook and Instagram. Cool. Okay, so let's do this little tour ski here. Here's one bedroom. This is where I slept last night. I made the bed and everything. I don't even go under the sheets when I'm sleeping. Here's two bedroom. Look at the. It's like I should have slept in there. Would have been all right. So guys, here's the bathroom, and it's really like interesting. I like the design or whatever. Hot water, piping hot water, which is actually kind of necessary up here in Escazú and San Jose. Look at this. Decor. That's the word I was looking for. Decor. There's a sloth on the decor. Cool. And okay, dining area, coffee, guys. Coffee and actual coffee maker and coffee. Clutch, dude. 10 out of 10, I always say. Here's the kitchen. I don't know much about kitchens and cooking and stuff like that. I know where to get water. I know where to get coffee. That is an air fryer. I know that much. And that's a fridge and that's a microwave. So, I mean, I think you got everything. There's a laundry, washer and dryer. Open door. There you go, washer and dryer. I'm drying my clothes right now. That was a little damp. And what's going on over here? So this is like the living area. So you see, pretty cool. There's a fireplace. I don't think the fireplace is like real. I didn't try it though. There's an area right here where you could like work out or do yoga or something. I don't know. And then you got this patio. Very, very green. And you know, they've done a great job. And guys, I'm not working for the owner here or anything. I booked this Airbnb. I just think it's really nice. I think it's a nice place. So if you guys are coming up through Escazú, consider this one. There's that tree. What an interesting tree. All the pine, it's like a pine tree. Maybe? Is that a pine tree? I don't know. I got a big head but a small brain, and I don't got enough space to start putting tree knowledge in there. But if you guys know what kind of tree that is, it's cool. I think it's like a pine tree. So anyways, guys, let's go get on the Moto BC and head down to Escazú. And then here we are down in downtown Escazú. That's pretty cool. Short drive from the Airbnb, and look at the view here, guys. It's incredible. I don't know exactly where we're looking into San Jose there. Like, what is that? Like, if I right there, like, I don't know what that town would be necessarily. Excellent view though, and those are like, I don't know if those are volcanoes out there either. Definitely looking north though, across San Jose. And then where are we now? Where are we now? We're in the central square. Quadrado. There's the Escazú sign. And guys, I just walked around here just to get a lay of the land. It's very nice. Very, very nice park. We're going to check the park out. There's a church that's in service right now on the other side. And we're here on a Sunday. There's the chariot. We're here on a Sunday, so it's quiet. It's pretty quiet. And Escazú, I've noticed, has really good roads. And there's like street signs everywhere, so it wasn't too hard to follow the directions on the map with regards to where to turn. And I don't know if that's new, if as time goes on more and more signs are going up marking the streets, because like I remember driving around San Jose years ago and I don't recall there being as many signs. So I don't know if it's some initiative that to mark everything, which would be good. Then I would get lost less. So up there, clouds covering the mountain. Again, is that a volcano up there? Let me know, guys. If that's a volcano or just hills up there. Very nice though. And this is I think this is my first time here in Escazú. There's a cool little sign with the flags. And I'm pretty sure Escazú is like, I've heard it called the Beverly Hills, and I don't know what that means. I've never been to Beverly Hills. I don't even think I'm allowed in Beverly Hills. The Beverly Hills of Costa Rica. Is that accurate? Let's get the bird's eye up here. Look at that. So a nice enclosed soccer field, football, as it's called. And what's going on over there? Some kids park stuff. All turf. There's a lot of turf down. Oh, even over here. There's like a calisthenics kind of thing. That's pretty cool. So you got some chin-up rings, some bars you can do stuff, and transfers and everything like that. Very nice. Oh, and then over there's some more. I'll zoom in on that. I see those a lot everywhere. They're interesting, right? I don't know if they use body weight or what. But there's some more calisthenic stuff. So if you're into working out, I mean, come check it out. There's a really well-kept basketball court. And there's the church. We'll go walk over to the church and check it out too. There's a little central plaza. And what's over here? Here's a kids area. I don't know if I'd call it a kids area. I'd probably play on that thing. I want to climb around on that thing. Now here's a map of Costa Rica of all the provinces. So whereabouts are we? We're probably like right around here-ish, I want to say. And still really interesting trees down here, man. Like, get the palm trees over there, and then there's like pine trees right there. And I never thought, before I ever came to Costa Rica, that there'd be pine trees. But of course, now that I've traveled up into mountain areas, like up over the Hill of Death, you go up over the hill past Cartago, and it actually, there's like moss growing, and it's cold. Very interesting climate, all the microclimates here in Costa Rica. Now, what else are we looking at? What else are we gonna check out? I'm not gonna walk in the church. be a total degen. When I came by, people were like kneeling down and right into it. Oh, what's over here? Oh, there's a nice little castle. I don't know what that is. What is that? It has a little scene in it, little nativity scene, and it's very old building. Now this church, I just briefly looked it up. Apparently it dates back to the 1700s. And apparently, correct me if I'm wrong, but an earthquake did some damage to it, but they rebuilt it and maintained the architecture of it in a way. It was packed, so here you go. Here's some, oh, they're finishing. Looks like they're finishing. Oh, cool. So there's guys, I'm like, I don't know. Is that the priest shaking everybody's hands as they leave? That's cool. Oh, there's some kiddos. Nice. So I guess it just got out. I'm gonna bounce before I get swamped with people. I already know somebody's gonna say, "Hey, isn't that the traveling Costa Rica guy?" And then there's gonna be paparazzi, and I'm just like, I'm low key, you know, I'm low key like that. So here's all the there's people sitting, playing some kind of game. Some kind of game with like mahjong or whatever it's called. And what's over here? That's a cool building. So Escazú, very quiet, very nice. Look at all the turf. Look at all the work that's been put in. What's this? Oh, here's a it's like events that are going on. Okay, so there you go. There you go. If you're down here around this time, it's going right out to March. Oh, it's pretty much all February and March. So this is coming soon. Or already passed. I actually don't know what day it is. I don't know what day it is right now. There's the kids area. Awesome, guys. So we're going to be continuing our tour here. I don't know where I'm going next. We'll see. I'll decide. Got the moto. We're just trying to kick it. We're trying to rip it around. Right? Keep it loosey-goosey. Guys, if you enjoyed that video, as always, hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. And as I finish the video, what a cool car, man. These are the coolest things. I don't know what it is. I don't know what kind of car that is, but I like it. Oh, it says Datsun on it. It says Datsun. Guys, check out the links in the description. I got the bag I'm wearing right now, the lockable backpack. I wear it everywhere I go in Costa Rica. Got a link for it down below. Some other useful stuff in the description. So thanks again for watching, guys. Bye now.